bars over the road. The barber's just there somewhere. You can see it. Right for curries. And just up on the end, we can have a look. That's this van. Got the tropical bar. Great bar, great entertainment. Entertainment for the kids in there as well. Poke show. I think that's still what they're on. They usually film from the side. Yeah, it's a bit different. So carrying on up now, getting towards where the campsites are. So there's a pharmacy there. If you ever forget any of your tablets when you come over, get to one of the pharmacies. They can usually sort you out with something. They'll be equivalent for what you have in the UK. Usually it's twice as much as you have, so you might have to cut the tablets in half or something, but yeah, they'll get you through. I've had it with Sue a few times and they've always been able to sort her out. Missy Mass, Matty Mass rather.
Oh, cool.
But the smell up here, to be honest. That's one of the bigger ones.
Oh.
Great supermarket. Just whiff a bit of big guys. Don't know what that is. So we're walking out of Benidorm a little bit now. Got the church there. And the garage over the road. There's not a lot of garages in Benidorm. I think there's two, is there? Do you know any more, Marcus?
No, I think you're right. I think there is.
Yeah, I think there's only two in Benidorm. And as you can see, there's a McDonald's just the side of the garage. This road you can catch buses to most places. You can get a card on the bus and you just pay on the card. And then when you get on the bus you just scan your card, they give you a ticket there and it tells you how much you've got left on the card. I think you get, don't quote me, I think it's 50% off if you do it on the card. Where are we now? There's McDonald's. A little tip there, if you come into Benidorm you want to travel about a bit. I think it only covers you for the buses. Trams I think is separate. I'm not 100% about that, to be honest. somewhere you'll know coming up in a minute. Especially if you're a fan of Benidorm. We'll get a view in a minute. You've got Hotel Mediterranean over there. What it's called. Yeah. Can't get a good view.
No.
As seen on the TV series, the Benidorm Palace. Book shows there, usually from your hotel. Marcus running wide. Haven't been for a few years. It's a good night out though. Have a meal as well, if you want, when you book it. Dinner or show, or you can just do the show. I think you get a free drink on arrival as well, which always helps. Right, we'll just show you the board up here. There's the shows, what they've got on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye.